Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In case if you are new here, my name is Manisha Sharma and I make content on makeup, beauty and lifestyle. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Also press the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's quickly dive into the video. Okay, so you must have already understood by the title that I'm going to do a little bit of Sarojini as well as Lajpat Nagar Hall. You can already see in my background that I have got something, right? So I'll just tell you what I have got and from where did I get all of these things. So if you want to see what all did I get, please stick till the end of the video. Before we dive into the video, let me tell you what Lajpat Nagar is. Lajpat Nagar is a marketplace in Delhi or a paradise for home decor lovers. Like you can get amazing home decor pieces, beddings, rugs, vases, vintage items, a lot of things over there at affordable prices. Yes, please keep in mind that you have to bargain over there, but amazing quality will be there for sure. I have already made a Sarojini Nagar video, previously, so you can just click over on the iCard or in the description box to check that video out. I'm sure you are going to love that. Even this top is from that particular video, so you can definitely check that video out. Now since we are done with Lajpat and Sarojini Nagar, let's dive into the video. Let's start with Lajpat because it has only few items, so I think we can get through that quickly. So at first, as you can already see in my screen, this is a very cute, soft toy in the shape of a frog, right? So this is something that I got and this was for 100 rupees. Next up, I have this pillow over here. It's a very cute pillow. You must have already seen this in my Instagram page. I use this to create a reel. In case if you know which reel I'm talking about, just mention in the comment section. So this is what I have, got, and this is also for rupees 100. And this is very cute one, very rainbowy type. So I like it. This is one. Second thing, I got this pack of hair claw clips, you can say. कुछ लोग clutches कहते हैं, कुछ लोग claw clips कहते हैं, right? So this is a pack of 6 and I got it only for 50 rupees. And the last thing that I have got from Lajpat is this makeup pouch. It is in transparent shade and it has got some silver kind of detailing going on here, and it has got a chain. It's not a very amazing quality, but 50 rupees mein tha, so I think 50 rupees ke liye it is quite good, right? So that's all that I have from Lajpat. Now let's move on to the Sarojini one. So the first thing that I have got from Sarojini is this particular dress with a tie up detail at the back, and this is the front one, and this is a full length dress. As you can see, it is in a very pretty red shade. You might think it is pink, but it is red with yellow with white flowers on all over the dress over here, as if you can just see, and this was for rupees 350. Next up, I have this crochet top over here. This has got some net detailing and the entire body is of crochet. As you can see here, बहुत सुंदर सी detailing at the bottom and on top as well, and it has got 3/4 sleeves with an elastic thing over here. मतलब आपके cuff यहाँ पे cuff के around पे the elastic will fall there, and this was for rupees 150. The vendor was actually quoting it for rupees 300, but we got it for 150. So that's that. Okay, next up we have this black color top over here, and it is a strappy top, and it was for 50 rupees. So you can just mix and match. You can wear this and this. You can wear this under this particular crochet top, and it will look really pretty. And the next thing that I have is this particular yellow top. It is an high low top. You can just see here, front is low and back में ये ऐसा, sorry, front is high and back low है ऐसा, and it is a full sleeves top. ये लगता sweater जैसा है, but it is really nice for the monsoon season. So you can again layer this up with under a spaghetti top and it will look really pretty. I have worn this one, so I'll see if I have the picture and I'll insert it over here on the screen somewhere. Okay, so the next piece that we have here is this particular top over here. It is a georgette top with a detailing on the neck and a pearl button over here. So that's about it, and this was for 100 rupees. Yeah, so Next up, I have this particular pink top. It's a dusty pink top which you can wear to your college or maybe office. Summer season में ये half sleeves top बहुत अच्छा रहता है. Just pair it up over a trouser and it will, it will look good. The next top that I have over here is this particular V-neck top with half sleeves. Again, you can just layer this up under a spaghetti and it will look really pretty. It is a maroonish color top and it has got some, these buttons over here going जो कि थोड़े से whitish beige color में है. If you can just see, ये पूरा ऐसा नीचे तक जा रहा है. So yeah, that is how it looks like. Next up, I have this yellow kurta. This is a short kurta, very summery color, very lightweight and very appropriate for the summer season. You can just pair it up with a wide leg jeans and go to your office or college and it will look really nice. So yeah, this is it. And it has got 3/4 sleeves as well. So that's about it, and it was for rupees 200. And this is a cotton one, by the way, so very very appropriate for the summer because it will look really pretty. The next top that I have over here is this green colored top which has got all over flower print on the top. It is stretchy material on the bust area and iske sleeves short hai with if you can just see, it is a not exactly square or even मतलब गोल गला भी नहीं है, स्क्वायर भी नहीं है. इफ यू जस्ट सी हियर, थोड़ा सा मीडियो मतलब ओवल काइंड ऑफ अ शेप है इसका, राइट, ओवल कह सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ अ नेक दैट इट हैज and it has got short sleeves as well. So yeah, that is about it, and it was also for rupees 100. Next up, I have this spaghetti top in yellow color. It's a very मस्टर्ड येलो काइंड ऑफ अ कलर जो कि आप पेयर कर सकते हो अंडर एनी टॉप, जैसे कि मैंने आपको क्रोशे वाले टॉप दिखाए थे, राइट. और यू कैन ऑल्सो जस्ट वेयर इट ओवर अ वाइट शर्ट and it will look really cool. And yeah, that is how you can just style your look if you are going to college. So yeah, that's about it, and this was also for rupees 50. And the last thing that we have here is this black kurta. This is a knee length kurta, for long girls, like who are really tall. For them, this will be knee length. For others, it might go below knee, but it looks really pretty. Like you can pair this with a light blue denim and it looks really pretty. Okay, let me tell you a backstory about this, right? So जब ये कुर्ता आया था, it was kind of a very faded green color, राइट. एंड ये जो कश्मीरी वर्क आपको दिख रहा है पूरे नेक एरिया पे, दिस पर्टिकुलर कश्मीरी वर्क, ये एक्चुअली वाइट था. ओके, दैट वाज द कुर्ता, एक्चुअल कुर्ता. बट इसको फिर हमने ब्लैक डाई करवाया एंड ब्लैक डाई करवाने के बाद ये जो कुर्ता का जो वर्क है ना, जो कश्मीरी वर्क यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है नेक एरिया पे या फिर स्लीव्स पे या फिर इवन टुवर्ड्स द बॉटम, राइट, इफ यू जस्ट सी हियर, ये सारे चेंज हो गए हैं. एंड आई थिंक दिस वन लुक्स मच मच प्रिटियर देन व्हाट इट वाज एक्चुअली. So all in all, I think this is one of a very good purchase. And this is also again cotton material, so गर्मियों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Like people who love to wear dark colors or black color, I think they will definitely love this. And this was also for rupees 100, by the way. So I think this was a steal deal. That's all about it that I have to share with you from Sarojini as well as Lajpat. I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to press the like button. Also share it with your friends and family so that they also enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.